In this example, we're going to use Google Forms to create a choice board for differentiation. I have a basic form set up here looking at renewable and non-renewable resources. I have a beginning question asking the children to enter their name, their class period. I have a short video for them to watch. I'm reminding them that once they choose, there's no going back, trading, or changing their mind. And then this is the initial question where they're going to branch off. My goal with this is that we have an equal distribution of choices so that we're not getting 100 solar energy posters, that there's a distribution of the assignments. So what's going to happen, just like we do in branching, but this time instead of just the branch, we are actually going to limit how many people can choose each one. And the way we do that is with an add-on that's up here, this puzzle piece. I'm going to click that, and we're going to use Choice Eliminator 2. I'm going to say Configure. And what it's doing while it's doing this, and it's also reminding when you use this add-on, it does not like multiple choice. It likes drop down. So make sure that you're going to use drop downs and not multiple choices. You'll see that it has all of our different questions. We are going to start with which type of resource. We have it. I already have it set for eliminate choices. I'm going to click the cog. And in the cog, it's going to open up and it's going to ask you, how many of each choice do you want? I'm just going to leave it as one so that it's not taking forever for you to see how the choices are eliminated. If you hover over the green hamburger, we'll hit X to close. So that one's set. I also have this set in here for renewable. If they choose renewable, they're going to go to section 3. If they choose non-renewable, they're going to go to section 2. So on non-renewable, we need to come down and we need to set that one up. So I'm going to click back over here, non-renewable. I'm going to click eliminate choices. It's creating that as we speak. And then as soon as that pops up, we're going to press the cog. And then we're going to say how many coal projects do we want? How many oil projects do we want? How many natural gas projects do we want? I'm just going to leave them as one again and then close it. Now I would actually take this one step further, at least one step, if not two. And then I would say, if you're going to choose coal, I would have another section with different options on the coal. And same with oil, same with natural gas. So you might have 3 coal projects, but one would be a video, one might be a poster, and another one might be a slideshow. Same thing with oil. So you're going to get a variety. This forces the children to pick and gives them a variety of ways to respond. So going on down here to renewable, we need to set that up. I'm going to come over and you can see the red ones show that they've been set up. This grade 1 hasn't. So we're going to hit renewable, create the choice eliminator. Waiting for the cog, hit the cog, and we still have 1. So I'm going to hit and I'm going to close out, and I would do the same thing with renewable as I did up here with non-renewable and force them to different sections after they made their pick. I want you to see how this works. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to put my name. I'm going to say second hour. I am going to say that I want to do a renewable resource. Click next. It's going to click me over to the renewable resource section. I am going to pick that I want to study geothermal. And at that point, it's submitting because I don't have any further choices. If I had another choice, it would kick me down to that. So let's submit another one so you can see what happens. I'm going to submit it for my dog. And if you click the choose down, you can see renewable is no longer there. All he has the option of is non-renewable. Hit next. It's taking him over to the non-renewable section. He's going to pick coal and it's going to submit. Now, so my other dog's a little slow. He came in late. So I'm going to say happy second hour. What type of resources? You can see there's no more options. So at that point, when he doesn't have options to choose from, that would force the student to come talk to me so I could have a conversation with them as to what was going on, why were they so late, and make a plan with them going forward. But that's how that add on works. And you can see how with the branching, it differentiates, allows the kids to pick and have a little bit more ownership in their work.